Imagine a microscopic world inside your body. This world is teeming with activity. Cells work together. They build tissues and keep you alive. But this world also faces constant threats. Tiny invaders called viruses try to break in and cause trouble. Luckily, your body has a defense force. The immune system, think of it as an army of tiny warriors patrolling your body. They are always on the lookout for invaders like viruses. These warriors are trained to identify and eliminate threats. They keep you healthy and safe. The immune system is complex and fascinating. It involves many different cells and processes. Understanding how it works is key to understanding how our bodies stay healthy. Viruses are incredibly small. They are much smaller than bacteria. In fact, they're so small that they can only be seen with powerful microscopes. Viruses are basically packages of genetic material. They are wrapped in a protein coat. These invaders cannot reproduce on their own. They need to hijack our cells to make copies of themselves. But first, they need to get inside our bodies. Viruses are sneaky. They've evolved various ways to bypass our defenses and gain entry. Some viruses enter through our respiratory system when we breathe in infected air. Others might enter through cuts or wounds. Some viruses even hitch a ride on mosquitoes or ticks, entering our bloodstream through their bites. Once inside, the virus begins its mission to replicate. Think of a virus like a Trojan horse. It tricks our cells into letting it in. The virus attaches itself to a cell and releases its genetic material. This material contains instructions for making more viruses. The cell, unaware of the danger, follows these instructions. It starts producing viral proteins and copying the virus's genetic material. Soon the cell is overrun with new viruses. These new viruses then burst out of the cell, ready to infect more cells. This cycle repeats, leading to widespread infection. The virus takes over the cell's machinery, turning it into a virus factory. This is how a virus multiplies and spreads throughout the body. Luckily, our immune system is always on patrol. It has various ways of detecting intruders like viruses. One way is through special proteins on the surface of cells. These proteins act like name tags that identify the cell as self or foreign. When a virus infects a cell, it alters the cell's name tag. The immune system recognizes this change and realizes something is wrong. It's like seeing a familiar face with a strange mask on. Something is clearly not right. This triggers an alarm, alerting the immune system to the viral invasion. The battle against the virus is about to begin.